Today we're going to take a close look at the Sailrite Skiving Knife. The handle is made from desert ironwood with these nice brass rivets, but more importantly, the blade is made out of D53 steel, which is actually an improvement over D2 steel, which is a popular steel used in pocket knives and other high quality tools. So that durable steel is going to give you great edge retention, and so this knife is going to stay sharp and last a long time. And the reason this knife is perfect for skiving is, as we look at the blade shape, you'll see that the top is ground down to a nice razor sharp point, but the backside is perfectly flat. Looking at the blade from this angle, you'll see it has a slanted edge, which means it's really comfortable and natural as you skive along an edge as a right-hander, but if you are a left-hander, the way this blade is shaped is not quite perfect for you. The slanted blade makes skiving really easy, but the nice shaped handle fits well in your palm. That helps a lot as well. And the way that you maintain your knife is with a strop. So you will take the blade and place it at the bottom of the strop and match that same angle of the blade, and then just take about 5 to 10 passes on the strop. I like to do a couple on the back as well, so you keep it perfectly flat and pull towards yourself. Finish up on the smooth side. And then you're good to go. The Sailrite Skiving Knife, along with all of these other great options, are available now at sailrite.com.